Today I'm in Sarasota, Florida visiting my extended family. I did a few Google searches for the best snorkeling spots in Sarasota, Florida and decided to snorkel at 𝗺𝗺𝗺𝗺 located at Siesta Key. The 𝗺𝗺𝗺𝗺 is a series of limestone rock formations located on the southernmost end of Siesta Key Beach. Did you know that Siesta Key Beach has been named the #1 beach in the U.S. by TripAdvisor and 𝗏𝗏𝐵EACH? Now that's a big deal. Continue watching and I'll show you 𝗺𝗺𝗺𝗺, some of the marine life, and how I got there. Also, if you're new to my channel, click on the subscribe button and notification bell to see more videos.
What's happening? Snowball time.
After parking, we walked towards the beach, and when we reached the clearing, you can see where 𝗺𝗺𝗺𝗺𝗺 is located, to the left at the south end of the beach. After a short walk, we reached the south end of the beach and prepare for some wonderful beach time and snorkeling. Let's go check out the 𝗺𝗺𝗺𝗺𝗺𝗺. This was the first day it didn't rain during our visit. The water clarity was not the best and the water was a bit rough. But I was still surprised at what I saw and can imagine how much more beautiful it would be on a good weather day. Now it's time to grab our snorkeling gear and get to snorkeling. If you swim outwards from the beach and to the left, you will start to see the limestone formations in the area known as 𝗺𝗺𝗺𝗺𝗺𝗺. If you enjoyed this video, click the subscribe button. Also, you can follow me on social media, 𝗕Toneman Gulf Coast Snorkeling, on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Those links are listed in the video description below. Thanks for watching.